What's up, guys? Cube trade day is March 9th. It's Sunday, but we're going to go over March 7th's trade. We took a loss. We took the exact same setup and got over double that loss. So this is a reminder that we do not lose confidence in our model. But we're going to get right into this video. Again, my plan wasn't spot on. My targets ended up getting met, just not the way I wanted to see it. I wanted to see us reach for previous day's low first. Then from there, I was either looking for continuation to a weekly sell side level, or if we reverse, I was looking for this. Again, all of these targets got hit, just not the way I wanted to see it get delivered. But let's get into what I was looking for the structure on the day. Again, obviously, my clearest draw was going to be that previous day's low. And then my higher time frame target I was looking at was, we had some lows, equal lows on the weekly here. We had some lows here and then some lows here. So these are my other weekly targets I was looking to get hit. And then my long target was going to be this high from NFP News to draw into this 15-minute of bounce that we just missed. So you can see that we hit all those targets, just not the way I wanted to see. I wanted to originally see us with this downtrend off the open, sweep out, and then come higher. We ended up failing to sweep, buying up, failing to hit, and then delivering lower. That's totally fine. But our loss was very simple, right? I saw the SMT at the lows. We started to break structure, and we reached for this point. So in my eyes, I'm looking for us to look for a continuation look, and that came on a 15-minute fair value gap. We ended up drawing into this 15-minute fair value gap aggressively, and then we found buying out of it. So I was looking for the continuation to look for this high. My entry came in on a 2-minute inverse, staying a bit more patient, and once we got that inverse close, I grabbed my entry and I looked for internal high, and then obviously my 71 draw to that high. And you know, it ended up just not working out. We got a few bounces, few pops, just never found the buying price to deliver higher, and we took a 35-point loss, and that happens. But what did we do? We did not look to get right back in. We stayed patient. We analyzed that, okay, market presented buyers, and buyers failed to move higher, and we started to shift lower. Now I say, because we failed to deliver these lows and previous day's low with the higher time frame targets, now I'm looking for the run lower, in line with obviously a clearly bearish market. So again, the same exact play, right? We expected a 15, found buyer's inverse. Now I'm looking at this 5-minute bearish. Ended up drawing back into this 5-minute fair value gap. We found a nice rejection, and now I'm looking for my point of entry. My point of entry came in on this inverse 1-minute fair value gap. I got filled at 91, and I put my stop at this high. I was looking for clear sellers to come in. So now I was looking at a 21-point stop loss, and I played this trade a bit conservative, just looking to play within the day's range. So I was looking for a scale break even at this internal low, which netted about 40-something points, 41 points. And then, all right, I took a 35-point loss, and then now I scale break even, and I already made my money back. Boom. And then I got break even. I moved my stop down. And then my final TP was going to be previous day's low here, which I secured for around 80 points. So I went from the same exact model to a 35-point loss, staying disciplined, staying patient. I got the exact same model on the reverse side, understanding that, okay, we are likely now to run these accumulated lows and run lower. So I took this trade, same model, short, and it delivered very, very nicely. In hindsight, yes, I could have caught like a 200-point gain, but I'm not going to be upset with 80 points. Again, Fridays for us are small size because we were on a winning week. If we lost both trades, I would still be green on the week. So that's kind of what I come into the mindset on Friday. So I played very small size. Again, if I had more contracts, I would have been able to scale 25%, scale 25%, leave 50 for the rest of my targets. But again, totally fine. But that's going to be it for March 7th's review. Again, do not lose confidence in your model because it loses. Stay patient, wait for the next great opportunity, and you will make it back the right way. But that's going to be it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. And if you want to join the Discord, there's a link in the bio. We'd be happy to have you. Until next time, guys. Peace out.